At the very outset, my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Aman Puri, Consul General of India in Birmingham, for inviting me to deliver a brief message on the occasion of India-UK Healthcare Conference. My wife, Dr. Vaijayanti, and I came to the UK in 1997. I obtained FRCS from 3 out of the 4 Royal Colleges, and Vaijayanti completed her MRCOG during the same year. Subsequently, I obtained higher surgical training on a Type 1 rotation and subspecialty training in oncoplastic breast surgery. During the same time, Vaijayanti completed her higher specialist training in obstetrics and gynecology and subspecialty training in fertility. The major turning point in my life was when my mother was diagnosed with breast cancer. My parents, both doctors, live in India. I realized that breast cancer was the commonest cancer affecting women in India. Due to lack of awareness and absence of an organized population-based screening program, more than 70% present in the advanced stages, with majority succumbing to breast cancer within a year of being diagnosed. Much as Vaijayanti and I had lucrative career opportunities in the UK, we decided to relocate to India, a difficult decision though, to look after my mother and serve my motherland. Rather than relocating to India to just work as a consultant surgeon in a hospital, I set myself 4 goals. The first was to establish a not-for-profit breast cancer charity. Over the past 12 years, the Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation has championed a number of innovative initiatives and has transformed breast cancer from a taboo or a closet issue to a much commonly discussed one, thus creating the much needed awareness about the importance of early detection. My second goal was to establish a dedicated breast health center. Up until 2007, there was virtually no breast health center concept in India. And so, in 2007, the KIMS Usha Lakshmi Center for Breast Diseases, which was established at KIMS Hospitals, is South Asia's very first freestanding, purpose-built center for breast health, which is involved in assessment and management of women who present with breast health issues, both benign and breast cancer, under one roof. My third goal was to implement a population-based breast cancer screening program. And so, the Usha Lakshmi Breast Cancer Foundation, in partnership with the governments of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, implemented South Asia's largest population-based breast cancer screening program by way of clinical breast examination, where healthcare workers who are working with the government were trained by the foundation to implement this screening program. Over a 5-year period between 2012 and 2017, more than 200,000 underprivileged women underwent breast cancer screening spread across 4,000 villages in 15 districts of the southern Indian states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And finally, my goal was to bring together surgeons practicing the art and science of breast surgery under a single umbrella organization. I therefore played a major role in the formation of the Association of Breast Surgeons of India, that represents general surgeons, surgical oncologists and plastic surgeons involved in the management of breast disease. I am currently the president of the Association of Surgeons of India, that is Asia Pacific's largest and the world's second largest surgical organization that represents the surgical fraternity all across the country. It has been over a decade since my wife Vaijayanti and I relocated to India. Vaijayanti has established a dedicated fertility center and is one of the foremost fertility specialists in the country. My mother's illness in the form of breast cancer was my wake-up call and a God-sent message and an opportunity to serve my mother and my motherland. Over the years, I have been able to implement the best of British practices in my sphere of activity in India. Working alongside colleagues, friends, and the government has given me the greatest satisfaction of being able to make a meaningful difference to the delivery of breast health care in a country that I was born and raised. Namaskaram.